Hello from Tokyo, what is up? This is your girl Ayaka. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel. As you probably watch my videos, I was born and raised in Tokyo, Japan. And through this channel, we discover Tokyo from a local's perspective. In today's video, we discover unique vending machines like that. I somehow ended up in this website. They are talking about there is a very unique and very scary vendor machines in Akihabara. So I am currently in Akihabara. I heard that it's very sketchy, so not sure how it's gonna turn out. So let's find a vendor machine in here. That one? Probably not. I guess it's around this corner, but I can't find any. So according to the website, it's around Manyo Bridge, and I am around Manyo Bridge right now. Let's find the vendor machines around here. That sounds like very abstract. I can't. It's that one? That looks like regular vendor machines to me. Yeah, I don't think that's it. It's just like a one-piece anime version, which is pretty cool. The copies. How to use a vendor machine. Insert the money. Choose the can, bottles. Take the goods from the outlet at the bottom. Take out change. And you're good. Okay, so that's not what I'm looking for. So this is a Manyo Bridge, and this is the Kanda River. Smells disgusting. Where is that? Wait, I think I found it. Listen, I found that unique vendor machine place. You come from the Akihabara station, and when you see this Lawson with this beef shop, with this meat shop, it's right next to it. Let's find out. Let's go. Ew, that looks so sketchy. That's it. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of the vendor machines up front. Oh my god, that looks so sketchy as hell. Wow. Okay, so it says that hot drinks, you can find it in the locker. Energy drink, I've never seen those, and this is like 130 yen. That's ridiculously cheap for the energy drinks. And this is like yeah, this is so much cheaper than a convenience store because we support your life. There is like a letter inside. This is like yakitori can. This is oden can. And there's like a letter behind it. Do you guys know what they say? 東日本大震災で福島原発が. Oh my god, this is a thread. That's so bad. I don't know who wrote this, but they're like warning you why you're still living in Japan. And there's like this lighting, and it's not even working. And next, listen, this is still outside, right? This is still like outside, and the safest vendor machine, and it's of course the condom. It says passion. Yeah, of course it's passion, right? So it's happy family life. That's pretty provocative. Okay, let's get in here. It's like so dark, so I'm gonna get the lights. So in this way, I'm not gonna get like freaked out. Okay, so I am here. All I can see is like this sketchiest thing, and then I feel absolutely uncomfortable. I think I really need to go soon. So let's go. I'm like putting the lighting, so imagine this is like super dark. No first thing it's like help. Okay. And that's like okay, so that says that within this building we sell non-alcohol beer. We sell the non-alcohol beer. And then of course if you smoke a cigarette, we're gonna charge you exactly 5,250 yen. Like they know how much it's gonna cost. Period. And this is like, wow, very organized, guys. Like they even put a condoms on it. Like what the fuck? Alright, let's see it. That's so interesting. This vending machine is ridiculous. Okay, so you guys probably have an idea. It's like too many labels on it. They really want to sell you out non-alcohol beer so much. And this is like room temperature vending machine. Like room temperature vending machine, and then they sell you a Calpis water, and then like the orange juice.
No! God, please, no!
And they have like the ball, like softball. I don't even know what that is, but it's like 290 yen. That's so random. And they even sell you a bread can and curry. But it's not just a curry, it's todo curry. Do you guys know what todo is? And oden, of course, yakitori, and biscuits. This is like for emergency though, emergency biscuit, and it's only 990 yen. Wow, very cheap. And they have this variety of candies. Like, wow, very, very, very cheap, guys. And they have cherries as well. Looks like cherries are not popular at all. It's kind of like it's very interesting. It's so unique. This one says every day earthquake, and you know that you need emergency food. It's like, okay. Next, it's also Calpis water. They really want to sell you out so much. And the golden medals thing, I think this is a chocolate. And they sell you literally just a box. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. Okay? And they are like all different stories. テレビの警察関係の番組で鉄道警察や所轄警察の女性刑事が疑問と思われる発言をしていた。それは10代の女性であれば今しかできないファッションをしたいはず。それを容認するような発言である。もちろんファッションがダメと言ってるわけではない。しかし何回も見たが裸同様で歩道を歩いたり、鉄道車内で女子高生も下半身が丸見えみたいな。当然盗撮はダメ。すぐに逮捕。It's like I'm talking to someone very angry, and I didn't like the vibes at all. I don't know why, but I just don't have a good vibes from here. Like, this is crazy. I don't know how it started, and I don't know who started. I saw someone and that's like super dark. They sell the same shit. Calpis water and oden can and yakitori can and bowls. In here they sell bowls again, and then also a cans, just a regular drink can. And then again it's just like you can't get the food in here. パンの耳がびっしり詰まってる。What? That's That's the sketchiest shit. I mean, I don't even feel good. This one right here is just a candy and kabutomushi. And they have a carrots. Minna no suzu. Everyone's rings. Like why? And the trains. That's like super Akihabara thing. And he says, I don't like Yoko. That's not the best shape to sell a beverage. What the hell is that? Okay, next. 860 yen. 正月に広島に行ってきましたが、女性のタクシードライバーさんにお酒をくださいと言われたが、私は本気になると思い断れなかった悪いことを I can't understand your language. So this guy went to Hiroshima and a female taxi driver told him onasake and something like that. I can't tell. And there's like newspapers. Listen, I don't understand what you're talking about. This is 100 yen and it's like sold out. Okay, you know what they're saying. This guy likes the same joke over and over and over. Damn. If you put any posters or any prank or like any art, I'm gonna cut off 20 fingers of yours. What do you mean? Is this like 20 fingers? It's like 10 fingers on the hands and the other 10 on the toe? That's like so Japanese. It's like, hey, I know you steal shit. I'm gonna take off your eyeballs and put it in a miso soup and then I drink it up. Same shit. And there is like a door. We can come in. Oh, so this is like popcorn. This is probably like one of the most healthiest vending machine in here. Yeah, it's like 3 flavors. Oh, actually, no. That's not cool. It's like put your coins very slowly and don't put them like all in once. And please put them. I think this is like a dirty joke, but you know what? You're not funny. Failed. Alright, and the next one. Monabi immune powder. What the fuck is that? Can I say something about this place? Like, I'm like super disappointed. Oh. This one's like sold out. This is like secretly put a honey in your bag. What? I don't get it. I'm pretty sure this is a kind of honey that you can get from the breakfast table at the hotel. And you motherfuckers sell that honey is like 570 yen? That's ridiculous. What the fuck is that? That's like so disrespectful. Like I can't laugh on this joke. This is Hinoki bowl, bath bomb, and you can put it in your bathtub and it's like 650 yen. You can enjoy it as if like you're in the forest. And please not put the bath bomb in your girlfriend's. Like if your otaku think this is so funny, that is the reason why you guys are still virgin. Wake the fuck up. And this is not for sale. And hey, they have like omikuji, fortune. So I think this is like fortune paper and boom, it's sold out. You can get them. Like I don't get it. It's just like everything is like 140 yen, but this is 570. The most random vending machine. And then also they have a picture box. Well, the vending machine was so sketchy and that's not, like, I don't know. I thought like that would be more fun. that vendor machine, I don't know if that was fun, but it's worth to go. It's worth it. Thank you so much for chilling with me. I had a really great time. I hope you enjoyed this video and hit the subscribe button for more Tokyo content. I'm going to give you a hug. I will see you in the next video. Love you. Ciao. Good night. Bye.
Drip Eliante, pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, and a rock Timbs with the tech. Butterfly doors on the Tesla, I just spit shit on gas.